How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing the Noco Genius 5 and it starts right now. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be talking about the Noco Genius 5, but if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss out on anything, and also don't forget to click the like button to show your support to the channel. So if you need to maintain your battery on your car because you rarely use the car, you need a battery maintainer. So the Noco Genius 5 is the most powerful, highest performing, energy efficient compact charger from the Noco Genius line of products. It is designed for a 6 volt and 12 volt lead acid car battery, marine, deep cycle, including flooded, gel, AGM, maintenance free, and lithium ion batteries. It also has an integrated sensor that detects ambient temperature, so when it gets cold, it charges at a higher rate than the normal to prevent undercharging, and a lower rate charging to prevent overcharging on the hot climates. It can also charge a dead battery as low as 1 volt, or you can use the force mode to charge a battery down to 0 volt. This charger is simple to use. Just plug it in, connect to the battery, and select the mode, and it's fully automatic. So there's two ways of connecting this to your car. You can just use the eyelet on each of the clamps, or you can just clamp it into your battery. So to take out the eyelet, you need the Allen key. So this hole is 6mm. This will fit in your standard battery post. So that's the positive eyelet. So this is the negative eyelet. So once you connect it to your car battery, you can just use this connector here. So you can connect your Noco Genius 5 to charge it. Connect it like this. It's gonna have a nice good seal. And also you can use the clamps if you want. So you can also use the bracket that comes with its Noco Genius 5. So this bracket, you can put your charger here and strap it on. So basically you can put the Noco Genius 5 inside your engine bay. All you have to do is screw this bracket, connect these two holes to your engine bay, screw it with this self-tapping screw that came with the kit. So these are the self-tapping screw that you can use to screw this bracket to your engine bay. And then once it's in the engine bay, you can just put your charger in there if you want, or you can take it out if you don't want to use your Genius 5. You can leave it in your garage and not put it in the car. So the Noco Genius 5 detects sulfation on your battery, and it also restores the lost performance, so it will extend the battery life. And this charger is also IP65 rated. That means it's oil, gas, grease, water, chemical, UV, and abrasion resistant. So the Noco Genius 5 has the advanced diagnostics. So this one indicates that it's high voltage, and the other one indicates it's a bad battery, and this one indicates reverse polarity, and this one indicates standby mode. So all the symbols here will flash if the internal or external temperature is too high or too low, and the charger will resume once the temperature is back to the normal operating limits. So all the bars that's showing here indicates the level of the charge of the battery. So the first one is 25%, second one is 50, the third one is 75, and the fourth one is 100. So when all the lights are on and this one is pulsing green, that means the charge is complete. But when all the lights are off and you see this one pulsing, that means the Noco Genius 5 is on a maintenance mode. So the maintenance mode detects if the battery is losing charge, then it's gonna start charging again, and it's gonna stop charging once the battery is full. So it's gonna keep on monitoring your battery like that until you unplug the Noco Genius 5. So the Noco Genius 5 has all kinds of different modes according to this LED here. So the first one is a 12-volt mode, which is used for wet, gel, cell, flooded battery, and maintenance-free battery. And the second one is the 12-volt AGM mode, which is used for 12-volt AGM batteries. The third one is lithium mode, used for 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, including iron phosphate. The fourth one is 6-volt mode, used for 6-volt wet, gel, enhanced, or flooded maintenance-free battery. And here we have the 12-volt repair mode, used to repair old, idle, damaged, or sulfated batteries. So when using force mode, that means you're charging a battery that's below 1 volt. So when you do force mode, this will all flash. So this is how we're gonna connect the Noco Genius 5 to the to charge my my car battery. So you put the positive here. And put the negative on the ground. Then I'm gonna plug the Noco Genius 5. See, it's on a standby mode right now. Here's the connector. Make sure it's nice and connected. Okay, now we have to select the mode. So my car is AGM, so I'm gonna check the AGM mode. So now it start charging. So now the battery is fully charged. As you can see, it's pulsing green now. So that means the battery is fully charged. Soon it's gonna go to maintenance mode, which is all these lights will turn off and only the green will pulse. So in that case, if it's only green that's pulsing, now it's on maintenance mode and it's always on standby and maintaining your battery. So now it's only pulsing on the green, that means it's on maintenance mode right now. So that's how you charge your car battery with this Noco Genius 5. Hope you liked the video. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.